Okay, wildlife encounters are a common problem in many communities. We often hear stories about bears, cougars, and coyotes, but one area is dealing with a rabbit problem. Thor Dykow has more.
Richmond has a growing rabbit problem. Today we meet a concerned resident who's taking matters into her own hands.
Ami Novak isn't exactly a rabbit person, but her townhouse yard has become a temporary shelter for the furry critters.
My 8-year-old came home with the rabbit who had hopped into her lap, and we sort of joked that it's because we had sucker written all over us. And then she had babies. So I currently have 13 rabbits in my backyard, which is 13 more rabbits than I want in my backyard.
Ami has even started an Instagram account dedicated to finding forever homes for the prolific bunnies.
So my goal is to find good homes for them. I mean, these bunnies they're really quite sweet. They've been handled a lot because I have an 8-year-old and a 10-year-old. And I was like, one rabbit, you know, I can handle that short term. We'll find a home for it. But it really opened my eyes. I quickly became a bunny expert in what's going on in Richmond because there's no resources. So for people that need to try and drop a rabbit off, there's nowhere to take them.
And it seems a local rabbit population explosion was inevitable.
Every 10 years, the population just blows up. And for 2 or 3 years, it gets absolutely ridiculous. Well, this is year 10. Surrey is having problems. Burnaby is now having problems. And Richmond is insane.
The city of Richmond says it's monitoring the ongoing issue through a campaign of education and awareness, but a lack of resources and complex legislation only complicate the situation.
Rabbits are destructive, and they are doing massive damage to property. They eat cedar hedges, they eat everybody's flowers, they eat everybody's gardens. A small investment now will save an awful lot of that damage.
In the meantime, Ami is reluctantly willing to house her neighborhood rabbits for now.
And so I think now it's sort of at this critical point because they're thriving in Richmond. I need the rabbits to get out of my backyard.
In Richmond, Thor Dykow, City News.